This is a little tutorial about how to use ChatterPix, the app. This is a video that was screen captured, so the sound may be just a little bit off on the video, but it is very helpful in terms of navigating the app. So when you first go into the app, it'll give you an option to take a photo or to go to the gallery. So let's go ahead and get started. So it's going to show you I went to take a photo, and I had a little blue sphere that was ready to be taken a picture of. I got it exactly how I wanted it set and then took the picture. After you take the picture, you just have to use your finger to draw a mouth across your object wherever you want. And then you have 30 seconds to record. So I hit record, and at that moment I'm actually recording and I'm saying something and talking. And so you have up to 30 seconds, which can be limiting, but also, I mean, you have to say what you need to say in that amount of time. And once you finish, you hit stop, and then you can play it again.
I am a spherical object. I can roll across the floor. I can bounce up and down. I am a favorite toy of dogs and babies. Athletes use me to play games.
So once again, sorry, the sound was a little bit off, but that's okay. You can listen to it back. You go to the next step, and it actually allows you to choose from filters, stickers, frames, and text. So if you see it's got the different filters, click through them, and various different ones. I like the rainbow one, so I'm going to stick with that one. Then you go on to the stickers, and there's all different kinds. Add some red glasses and resize that, kind of move it around to how I want it to be. And then as you go through the stickers, there's tons of different ones that you can use, and I'm going back and forth trying to decide, and I think I'm going to decide on the top hat. Resize that one again and put it right there on top of my little sphere. There's all different kinds of stickers that make it kind of fun and interesting, whatever your objects are. Then you go on to frames, and likewise, there's a ton of different frames you can choose. So you can go through and kind of move them around and decide which ones you want to go with. I think I like the black one, so I'm going to stay with the black one. And then finally, you can add text. All you have to do is choose the font that you want, and then you type in whatever word you're going to. So this, I'm talking about a sphere, and I want to make the text pop out, so I'm going to make it green. You can move it around, you can resize it, then you hit next, and there you go, there's your ChatterPix. And you can watch it again. And here it is working. It sounds not working, but it's going, and I will post the picture of this ChatterPix as well, so you'll be able to see it again, fully functioning. When you hit next, it takes you to your gallery. If you want to go back and say, I'll do another one, or you can go to the gallery again and you choose whichever video. I choose this one, I want to share it. So I hit the share button and I export to photos. You can either send it through email or through photos. It takes a little while to export, but once it's exported, it's saved to your device in the photos, and then you can send it whatever way you want to. Whenever the exporting is complete, it's going to give you a nice check mark and say your export is complete, and then you can go back and see it in your photos. Whenever you are finished, it takes you back to your gallery. You have all of your videos that you've already made, and that's ChatterPix. Thanks, I hope you enjoyed.